Hi, students. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Okay, so ouch. I was giving you guys a little bit of time to come in. But I'm still seeing less than the required number of students that I normally have. But just checking with you though, before I get into it. How are we doing? Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Good job. Yes, sir. Nice. I'm happy. All right. How I feel about the creamers? Anybody did any work on it?
Yes, sir. We feel good.
Yes. Feel good? All right.
Master. Oh,
Yes, sir.
All right.
For
All
that.
right. So what I'm gonna do is because I need to make sure that you feel good and even though I finish the topic, I need to make sure that um every every now and again. Can you believe it? My favorite teacup I broke today. Jesus, please, but tea never tastes nice again. Ja 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 ja. All right. Hold on, let me just pull out some. All right, good. I'm gonna make up a question now on creamers.
sir, what
Um,
can I email? And you don't respond to them. Put it in just a while ago and you were nice in your face.
oh Jesus, this son like a Britain got cost me out. No, good on them. We should say no, guys. This son like a good tell off.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
send a question in the group yesterday and some of us did it. So I don't know if you want to.
But oh,
That's what
it's
I sent.
Britley.
That's what I sent him, and he don't respond to me, and I don't like that.
Leave me alone, Britley. But if I love you one more time, thank you. You know, it's because you vexed me, Sim, me no want her post it in another group. Yes, or no, yeah. You post it, let me see, because you vexed me. Good vex, you know. I never
Sir,
see that, Britley.
be honest.
Put it.
I wish my day. Can't you?
That's fine, man. No, man, I drop me, Brittany, man. I'm a dupes, you know. Brittany can't do it without me. Crazy. And tell your husband that same way, so too. Come, Brits. Post it in the chat for me, please. Guys, how many of you did the question that Brittany posted in the group yesterday?
There is
How
not
many
me
did?
posted.
Sir,
It's not me posted. I posted, sir.
Okay, how many of you attempted that question?
I
If you
did.
all go ahead. Talk to me now because I mean I'm
Sir,
really
So I think
yeah.
most of us did it.
Most of you did it? All
yes,
right.
sir.
Yes, but
But what?
sir,
All right.
we wanted to
Okay.
do it.
No, man, I am going to do it. So I was going to ask if you didn't do it for you to start. But okay, let me sort out myself and go to the email that Brittany sent me and give me 2 minutes. Come in.
Good evening.
Have to take your books away from you. Mommy. I did lie. Sorry. You ran out of risk here. I don't believe you. Well, take it to myself. Keep an eye on the ladybug.
Priscilla?
Yes,
Priscilla?
sir.
Mute for
Sir,
me,
sir.
please. That's all right, man. Not a problem. Not a problem.
Gave you one of the vouchers, that's what I'm still saying. Why? He was being weird.
All right, students, as I prepare myself for the stuff for you, I just need to share with you. I have good news. Um, and again, what we're sharing here is for your ears only, not for you to go and tell your other classmates. This is just for maths. The information will come out, but because I have it, I want to share it with you. So you will soon get the official confirmation. By the way, have you gotten any confirmation from any letter from the institution or email from the institution regarding exams for next semester?
No, sir.
No,
All
sir.
right. Okay. So I am pleased to share with you, just for your ears alone, that the CCCJ says the exams for first semester will be done via coursework. I don't know if that includes mathematics. So they are writing a coursework piece. It could be a major project, but whatever it is, it is going to be in your favor because it means that you're not going to be under exam condition. You know, when I say exam,
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Like coming and face to face. That
right. So,
You know, sir.
all right. I think I just mashed up something. Hold on a minute, please. Hold on a minute.
You know, I didn't hear anything that sir said a while ago.
You want to come back, come repeat.
Is Sarah talking?
MC will come back.
A minute.
All right, sorry guys, my tablet just fell from me a while ago. And oh Lord. Wow. Forgive me here. I was trying to take out the pieces, but it seems okay. By the way, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so thank God it is okay, because I don't know what to do tonight. All right. Right. So yes, somebody did say that he's going to come back and repeat. You're correct. I was hearing you. Yeah. So they are going to give us a major project. No, I don't. I can't tell you what that major project for mathematics is going to be. I can't tell you, but honestly, it's going to be grouped or individual. I can't tell you that. But all I will say to you, this method of assessment will benefit everybody. This method of assessment will benefit
Sir,
everybody.
you
Once it
can
is
start over back everything,
Sir, so
please.
who
I
come
didn't
for
hear
the
what you
idea?
said.
all right.
Wow.
So what I'm saying to you, and as I said before, this is just for your ears. Please do not walk and go tell nobody. Say, Mr. Shan said, I am
Yes,
only
sir.
giving this for you. I'm saying to you, the decision is this semester your exams will be coursework only. The coursework is going to be could be a project, a major project. I can't tell you if it's going to be grouped or individual. I don't have that decision. I will also say to you that this method of assessment for this semester will definitely benefit everybody. Also, if you are diligent and do the work as is given, we're not talking about going to AI, make AI do the work for you, think so you can get 100%. No. If you do that, you're going to get zero because the work is going to be run through Turnitin.com. All right. So if you do your work on your own and you do a nice piece, there is no way you can fail the pre-calculus this semester. All right. So I can't tell you anything more other than I believe it is going to be in your best interest as students. Um, you know, so this thing like it break, guys. Oh man. Um, oh crap. Yeah, but anyhow, it is what it is. So I'm going to ask you just continue coming to class. You guys have been very diligent. You have been very diligent. And just continue coming to class, continue doing the work. I don't know what format it's going to take, but whichever format it takes, it will benefit all of you. It will benefit all of you. So just come and do the work, and then you will be moving on to once you pass the pre-calculus, for sure, you can move on to your business calculus come next semester. All right. Any questions?
Yes, sir. All
Go
right. So
ahead.
with this major, you know the question that I'm going to ask.
Mm-hmm.
You will be going through it with us, right?
Absolutely.
Not 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 that that
I
not that
won't.
you're going to do it,
No,
but go
I won't
through.
give you. I won't just give you and just say do it. So I'll be guiding you.
Okay, cause you know I'm start fidget already, you know.
No, no, man. I'll be guiding you, man. So you don't have to worry about that in that regard. I'll be guiding you. I won't leave you alone. Nope, I won't. But I'm just saying to you, just continue being diligent and try and learn this stuff. It's not an easy path to go to to business calculus because if you you don't learn the stuff and you pass a pre-calculus and get a passing grade for pre-calculus, but you still don't learn the stuff, you're fenegrease for business calculus. If you understand what I mean. Anybody understand what I mean there?
Yes, sir, I understand, and I will pass it because you're a great teacher. Okay.
You're
As a matter
patronizing
of fact,
me.
all of us will pass it. We will not go to no AI.
No, sir. No, absolutely not. Because you see, if I go to I have to go market, because when I have exams like this, CCCJ second marks the paper. So if me say, sure, Priscilla always a talking in my class and Kayla always a talk and Kayla nice and so forth and so on. When I give Kayla a percentage and CCC, just like CXC, when you do your SBAs and CC, remark your stuff. So if that's not the grade you're supposed to get, you're not going to get it. So I have to be true to myself. I have to be true to you students um, in doing stuff. But you don't have to worry. I will guide you. I will not leave you alone to sink or swim. I will guide you. So you will be fine. But all I want you to do is just to be diligent with what it is that I'm doing. Continue coming to class, do the work as it's given, learn, because all of this is going to be needed for your business calculus as you move along. All right?
Yes,
Fair
sir.
enough?
Agree. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Fair enough.
Good job. All right. No,
sir.
I'm sorry. Somebody has their hand raised. Who is that?
Yes, sir. Somebody said a while ago that you're a great teacher, and I
Yeah,
just
should
want
have
to second that because I'm a patronizer.
You're
And
patronizing, man.
me can tell no, sir, I'm being deadly serious. Coming
Mm.
Sir,
from me,
sir,
coming from me,
sir.
it is
Mm-hmm.
definitely not patronizing, and I can tell her she was not patronizing you, sir. I
Exactly.
I was I was quite literally dumb to all of the sections of mathematics that include X and Y and A and B. And I can say that I have learned something since
Mm.
coming to your class. I can't tell you that much because I even said it to one of your previous students that if me fail your class, it's
Mm-hmm.
definitely not you.
Thank you.
It's
I feel
because
good.
we don't
Me not say
practice
that, but
enough.
not from a teacher.
No, man. I appreciate it. It's always good when you can get feedback from your students, and it's not all negatives. I really appreciate it. I really come here on a Tuesday, Thursday, and I really try my very best because whether or not I'm having a good day, that's not your business. Your business is that I'm coming to class to teach, and I come here to do a good job. And I'm thanking you for really appreciating the efforts that I'm putting out, and I will continue pushing out the efforts until the pre-calculus has come to an end. And if I catch you for business calculus, you'll recognize that there is a level of consistency with what it is that I do, and you will definitely get the same treatment for business calculus if I catch you for business calculus. I don't know what the semester will work out for next term,
Sorry,
but for
again,
sure.
please. Good evening.
Go ahead again, please.
Check your messages like I sent you a private.
All right. You're coming across muffled for me. I'm not hearing you. Say it one more time.
Check your messages, sir.
Oh, you sent me a message. Okay. All right, no problem. All right. So what
Oh,
I'm going to
sir.
do, go ahead, please.
Sir, if we are big up people, I want big up the person who send the question in the group. Somebody send a question in the group and they have the
Yeah,
everybody I
big up
do it. I
yourself,
appreciate it.
Mona.
Yeah, and Sima says that she sent one of the questions. Yeah, man. You see, you guys are responsible, and as we talk about
Is
begin no,
hearing properly? Body hearing? Cause keep going in and out.
Yeah,
yeah,
keep breaking up.
it's going in and out for me. Hold on, let me see which internet I'm connected to because it's going in and out for me. Okay, I'm connected to the main one. I know, but it's going in and out for real. Yeah, but you see, seeing that we Maxwell, you're good, man. Me and you will talk, Maxwell. You not for worry yourself. Yeah, mommy?
Sir, me too.
Yeah, man, you not for worry yourself, man. Um the truth is I have two very good classes I had all good classes for this semester. One group did their exam already and they did pretty well. Um I can say one down for the semester, and I have a calculus one group and you as pre-calculus students. And truth be told, um, you know, two very good groups, very responsible students. Sammy, Samantha. Anybody see should come back to class? Is Sammy here tonight? No, Samantha, I want to say no. Stephanie. Stephanie, say don't play fair. You don't play
Sir?
fair. You don't play fair.
You just seen my message, sir?
No, but you send a message? Me not see.
Yeah, direct message.
Um We not play with you because for the last week I've been asking for you if anybody hear from you and you disappear from me. I don't even say, boy, teacher, this is happening to me. You have me over here worried.
Sir, sorry. I'll have to send you an email.
Please, man, and talk to me. Anybody
Okay.
has been seeing the recordings going up today? Or some of them?
Sir, I saw something in my email
Yeah,
after the
man.
last class.
Yeah. So the device that I use to upload is is very
Done?
ancient. Yeah, it's ancient and it takes quite a while. So I think I uploaded maybe about 6 videos today, but they're not all pre-calculus. I think of the 6 videos, 3 of them were pre-calculus. So I am continuing with the upload. So hopefully before the week is out, I'll be up to date. I promise you. All right. Let's go. I was trying to multitask and and drop the tablet, and now I kind of get disoriented. Can you just give me the question, please? For just tell me the question so I can write it, and then I'll just go ahead and do it. Please.
Okay, sir. So it's 2x minus y plus 3z equals minus 17. 3y plus z equal 5. No, sorry, you get that wrong. Oh,
I know. I'm gonna erase it. Yeah.
okay. And it's x minus 2y minus z equal minus 3.
All right. So you notice what I... Okay, sorry. You were saying something else?
No, that's it.
All right.
So you're gonna do the question like that? Come,
Just like it.
me still need to do one question like that.
No problem. I'm gonna do this now.
Okay.
All right. So watch me now. So you notice when the question was being read for me a while ago, I had the 3 under the 2, and then I move it because I want to put all the
X.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very
That's
good.
what I did too.
Yeah, man. All the X's under each other, all the Y's under each other, all the Z's under each other. Very important. Very, very important. All right. And then now, what do you think is going to happen for X for the second equation? What is going to be there?
Placeholder 0.
Good job. Good job. All right. Excellent. Excellent.
Sir,
So what
I
I'm
have a question.
go right ahead.
It might seem strange, but why not 1
If you
instead
have
of the
one,
0?
if I had 1, it would be 1x or just x.
Oh,
You see X there?
okay, understand now.
Good job. Good job. All right, now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it in the form AX equals B. So it's going to be 2, 0, 1, negative 1, 3, negative 2, 3, 1, negative 1, X, Y, and Z, and that is equals to negative 17, 5, and negative 3. I'm going to beg a minute, please. 1 minute. All right. So I'm now going to be calculating the overall determinant. And what I'm going to be doing is using my A, which is going to be 2, 0, 1, negative 1, 3, negative 2, 3, 1, 1, negative 1. Now, We're going to be doing this the grown-up way. Matter of fact, let me ask you the question first, though. Where most of you went, did you all go to the first row?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I got you 0.
Yes, sir.
All
First
right.
row.
Okay, no problem. All right, let me go to the first row then. So it's going to be, oh, lies. Let me
Sir, oh,
erase
you
that.
not do
No,
the
leave me alone now. Sure. You don't see it. Look at the screen. Plus, minus, plus,
yeah, but
minus, plus.
no.
Yes, man, I have to put the plus, minus, plus first. All right, very good. Thanks for being diligent. All right, so let's go. So it's going to be 2 into 3, 1, -2, -1. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That one is now going to become a positive 1 now, though.
+2, sir. Oh, negative.
You agree that one is going to be positive 1?
Yes, sir.
Good job. Good job.
I got you, sir.
And then this is going to be positive 3, 0, 3, 1, -2. Tell me if.
Yes, sir.
Good job. Yeah, mama. Good students. They're nice. And then this is going to be. Say it again.
Master it now.
Yeah, man, and that's what I want. So here what is going to happen. Here what is going to happen. Here what I want you guys to do. Just as how I am here teaching, I want you to help me to teach. Before every class, meaning either on Monday or over the weekend, somebody's going to post a Kramer's question to the chat. You're all going to do the question, and we're going to come and do the question at the start of the class. Why? We want to do this so that we don't forget how to get it done. We have to remember how to do this all the time, and it will help those who are struggling to develop this stuff. So tonight, I'm going to be moving into one of the other big boys. Sequence and series, not bad, but it's one of the heavy ones as well. And as soon as we finish that, we're going to drop a little one question so we can do it like how we're doing this again. It makes life so much easier for us. All right, let's continue. 2 into 3 times -1 minus 1 times -2 plus 1 times 0 times -1 minus 1 times 1 plus 3 into 0 times -2 minus 3 times 1. Am I correct so far?
Yes, sir.
Good. Doing this maybe one. -3
Sir,
plus
so
2.
you
Go
feel
ahead.
like enough answer my email though?
Eh?
You feel like enough answer my email though?
You see,
Alright then.
you see, Britney still up on me, you know. I know I Britney go, Britney cuss me out still because Britney knows she should get this right. No man, Brit, trust me.
So it's not just that. Me not like walk and look for you. Me feel like a star. And that
Hey, you know, so you go walk and look for me until you finish your bachelor's degree. You go walk and look for me. What you say? -1 times 0. No man, I'm proud of you though. And you are very responsible. Big up yourself. Are you an administrator at work, Britney?
sir, that was the things we do. Sir, this is the only topic I can tell you that I understand 100%. I can close my eyes and even talk my coworkers. I need help with indices though.
No problem. So guess what? I'm happy that you understand this because this is one of the big boys. We will have an opportunity because the exam is going to be in January. We will have an opportunity to get some stuff done up as a review. So I'm happy that you know this. So just make sure so you catch this fully, so we don't have to revise this all of you. So if you never catch the first part a little bitish, at least we can do it. All right, let's continue.
So before I continue,
go ahead, Papa.
you need to write the formula.
For which one? For this?
Yeah.
Which formula are you talking about?
The A times C
the A minus B?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No, not
Right.
that, sir. Like the A times
no, you don't have to.
minus.
You don't have to.
What, sir?
He's asking if I have to write. I'm going to write it and show what I'm talking about. He's asking if we have to write this. For the determinant, determinant. For the determinant, he has
Sir,
A.
we're writing after I'm not seeing you.
You not see me?
No, sir. How are you write that? Oh, it's up. Okay.
Right. So that's what we use to calculate the determinant. So he's asking if you have to write it. No, you don't have to because you're going to know it. You don't have to write it because I know you know it. I know you know it, so you don't have to write it. All right, let's go. Minus 3 plus 2 is going to be negative 1. Plus 1 times negative 1. Plus 3 times negative 3. That's negative 2. Minus 1. Minus 9 and 1, 10. Me get negative 12.
Yes, sir, we get that.
Very good. Is equals to
Sir,
negative
funny thing
12.
is, let me give you a joke.
Uh-huh.
It's when I started it, when she sent it in the group and I started it, I bet you not tell me when me get first.
Hold on. Not positive 12.
Well, I get 7. Not even so far. I when
7.
I realized what I did with the 0, and so realized the question was set up. So I went and I did it back over.
Good job. I'm happy, Priscilla. Yeah, you're doing very well. Keep up the good work. Very encouraged. Okay, so that's a determinant. That's the overall determinant. So now we're going to calculate the determinant of x. We're calculating the determinant of x. Now remember, when we're calculating the determinant of x, we're moving the x column. So you put negative 17, 5, and negative 3. Negative
Yes, sir.
17, 5, and negative
And
3.
3. That's what I
Good job. And then this is negative 1. One thing for sure, doing an opinion. Well, always give me a problem, you know. Jesus. Negative 1, 3, negative 2, 3, 1, and negative 1. And before them rush me, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and another plus. And then we're going to say negative 17 into 3, 1, negative 2, negative 1. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Positive
Oh my
1.
God, we feel goody.
I love it. Positive 1 is 5, 3, negative 3, negative 1.
Yes,
5,
sir.
5, 3,
Yeah, 5.
5, 1.
No, sir, 1. 5,
Yeah,
1,
5,
negative 3,
1.
negative 1.
I did that to see if you're paying attention.
Oh,
Oh.
so you want to see me I put my finger upon here and not stop it. Stop me upon that for
All right, so this one is going to be 5, 3, negative 3, negative 2.
Yes.
Very
5,
nice.
3, negative.
Very nice, very nice. So this is going to now become negative 17 into 3 times negative 1 minus 1 times negative 2 plus 1 into 5 times negative 1 minus 1 times negative 3 plus 3 into 5 times negative 2. Come on, pen. Negative 2 minus 3 times negative 3. Negative 17 into negative 3 plus 2 plus 1 into negative 5 plus 3 plus 3 into negative 10 plus 9. And this is going to be negative 17 into negative 1 times negative 1 plus 1 times negative 2 plus 3 times negative 1. And this is going to give me a positive 17. Come on, pen, come on. Positive 17 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Boy, this look like it's positive 12. Don't.
Yes, sir.
Good job. Boy, come on, pen. So therefore, delta x is equals to 12. If I want, I can say no. Delta x over delta is going to be equals to 12 over negative 12. Remember, the overall determinant always go in the denominator, right? So that's negative 1. So therefore, x is equals to negative 1. Everybody got x equals negative 1?
Yes, sir.
Good job. Good job. All right, so I'm going to now calculate the determinant of y.
Sir, what if you leave it at 12? Isn't that the determinant of x?
Yeah, but remember you're trying to find the value of x.
Okay.
So it's not wrong, but incomplete. All right. So now, let me just turn this way so I can get. So this is going to be now
201.
Right, good.
Negative
17.
-3.
Good job, good job, good job.
1, -1.
Good job. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. And then I'm going to go to. All right, let me just put that. 2 into 5, 1, -3, -1, plus 17 into boom bam, 0, 1, 1, -1. And this is plus 3 into 0, 5, 1, -3. Correct so far?
Yes, sir.
Good job. 2 into 5 times -1 minus 1 times -3 plus 17 into 0 times -1 minus 1 times 1 plus 3 into 0 times -3 minus 5 times 1. So that is going to give me 2 into -5 plus 3 plus 17 into 0 minus 1 plus 3 into -0 minus 5. And that's 2 times -2 plus 17 times -1 plus 3 times -5. And this is 2 2's, that's -4 minus 17 minus 15. Whoa, 15 and 17, that's 32. 32 and 4, that's 36. No, sir. 19, 29, 36. 36. -36, don't. -36. Yes, no?
Sir.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir, that's what I got.
Yes, sir, you're correct.
No. When it's so silent, like the teacher wrong. Sure.
Yeah.
So delta y is equal to -36. So now I'm going to have delta y over delta, which is -36 divided by -12. And that is going to be equal to 3. So therefore, y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. And then I'm going to calculate. I'm going to calculate the determinant of z. The thing about it, I'm just going to give the pen a little time to cool off. The thing about it, students, is always remember to. The thing about it is always remember to put your placeholders. You get the question like that on the exam, put your placeholder. Don't be afraid to write the question and put your zeros in, not 1, 0. Put your placeholder, because if you don't put your placeholder, and also what is also very, very, very important, connect each equation with their variables. So put all the x's under each other, all the y's under each other. So for example, look at the screen here. I'm just giving the pen a little time to cool off. That's why I've stopped writing. For example, don't write the 3y under the 2x here, so under x down here, so don't put the 3y under here, so because this now is not going to be a fully x column. You follow me?
Yes, sir.
Right. So put all the y's together, all the z's together, and all the x's together. Whether or not there is an x, like for this one here, there's no x right there, just put a place value there, 0. And you're good to go. They love to give questions like this on the exam, students, where they miss out something because it throws students up. Because some students will want to carry this tree over here, so not recognizing is why. Don't be fooled by that. All right, let's continue. The determinant of Z now. All right, so let's go. 20.
Sure, I don't see a writing. There's something sticking.
If I'm writing now?
Yeah, I see it now.
All right, it was -1, 3, -2, -1, 3, -2, and -17, 5, and -3. And then we're going to write our plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and another plus. And then now I'm going to have 2 into 3, 5, -2, -3. And then I have +1 into 0, 5, 1, -3. And then we have -17 into 0, 3, 1, -2. 2 into 3 times -3 minus 5 times -2 plus 1 into 0 times -3 minus 5 times 1 into -17. Oh, come on, pen. 17 into 0 times -2 minus 3 times 1. So this is going to be 2 into 3, 3 is 9. That's -9 plus 10 plus 1 into 0 minus 5 minus 17, oh Lord, minus 17 into 0 minus 3. Two into 1 plus 1 into -5 minus 17 into -3. Come on, pen, 3. And then I'm going to have 2 minus 5. 17 times 3 is 51 plus 51. Come on. Plus 51. 51 plus 2 is 53. 53 minus 5 is that 48?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, delta Z is equals to 48. Now, delta Z over delta is going to be equals to 48 over -12. And 12 to 24, 24 times 2 is 48, so Z is equals to 4, -4. So therefore, Z is equals to -4. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Good job. Everybody got it right?
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very encouraging. All right.
Sir,
So, yes, please go ahead.
what was the purpose of using the second rule like you did in last class?
Okay. So, the second row would have made life much easier for us because there's a 0 element or entry. So instead of doing the 3 calculations, I was actually tempted to do it in that, and I said, you know what, Lord, let me just be consistent here. Instead of doing these 3 calculations here and here and here, if I'd selected this row or this column, I'd have only had 2. If I selected this row or this column, I'd only have 2. This one I had to do 3 because there's no 0 in this thing here. Follow me?
Yeah.
Yeah, but guess what? I would rather spend the
Sir?
extra two. I would rather spend the extra 2 minutes and use the first row and know that you can do the question and get it right.
Sir, you see through me no want that throw me off. I
Yeah,
going
yeah,
to
yeah,
do
yeah, yeah,
how
yeah.
I know to do it.
Yeah, and that's why I did it that way. So I would much rather for you to take the extra 2 minutes and do it and get the full marks for the question than go do something else and then and get thrown off.
Sir,
Oh, sir,
question.
you talk one time you do the 0+ last week.
Yes.
Oh, so you say when I have to do it.
You don't have to, but I mean, you see, put it this way,
Sir,
right
because it
about
that puzzle me, you know.
is it right about now? You see, whichever method you guys have, hold it. Hold on to it because you guys have understood the topic. I don't want to put anything else that you're going to throw you off and you're going to mess up the topic. So keep what you have. Somebody said question, sir. Go ahead.
I was gonna ask if you will get the same answer,
Oh
but
yeah, man. Yeah.
because I remember you saying that we would have gotten the same answer
Yeah,
you when you
man.
use a zero
You would.
if you use a zero.
You would. Let me prove it. So in this case, I'm going to use a first column. I'm using column 1. So that's going to be 2 into 5, 1, -3, -1, plus, no, sorry, it says minus. So let me just say minus 0. I don't have to write the matrix because 0 times anything is 0. Talk truth.
True.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
man. So I just put the 0 there for me know, say, boy, 0 go to start. And then it's going to be now -17, 3, 5, and 1. So I'm going to have 2 into 5 times -1 minus 1 into -3. And then the 0 is just that. Nothing I'm going to write it here. So now, then -17. Oopsie, come on, pen. -17 into 1 minus 3 times 5. So we have 2 into -5 plus 3 plus 1 into -17 minus 15. 2 into -2 plus 1 into 15, that's 32. -32. That's -4 minus 32, which implies that delta y is equal to -36. So we get the same -36?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Man, so it will be the same thing. I'm not even going any further because, well, let me just finish it since I'm here. So therefore, delta y divided by delta is going to be equal to -36 divided by -12. 12 3 is 36, 3. Y equals 3. Yeah, man. Congratulations, though. Congrats. All right. 6:15. I'm going to give you a 5 minutes break as I go and get some stuff to introduce to you. Sequence and series.
Sir,
One, yes,
Okay.
please.
sir, you can show me how them would I write the question if them tell you to do it from the column coming down.
Them now will tell you, are you already decide which one to do?
Oh, so you decide.
Yeah,
Okay.
them just going to say to you, solve the system of linear equations using Kramer's.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, man. All right, I'll give you 5 minutes. I'm going to time it so I can hear the clock. We'll come back at 6:20. So that's 5 minutes. All right, so those are the 5 minutes. I am ejecting a I'm ejecting a storage device to be used for this session, and it's on the computer and it's taking a while to come up. So I'm going to wait for 2 more minutes so that I can fully eject it. So coming back. All right. I know there's something don't eject, but never mind. I just came closer to it. All right. Where am I? We're talking about sequence and series. We're talking about sequence and series. Sequence and series. Now, I want us to have a conversation on this. Say, for example, I gave you 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, comma, dot, dot, dot. What does dot, dot, dot mean?
It continues. Continuing.
Good job. Good job. And I ask you to evaluate. I ask you to evaluate the sum of the first 5 terms. What would you get for your answer? Just look at it. Do the calculation. I say to you, calculate for me the sum of the first 5 terms. What would you tell me the answer is? Take 2
30.
minutes. 30. I'll give the others a chance to calculate it and tell me if you agree. They agree.
Yes, sir.
Anybody disagrees? The rest of you?
I agree, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Agree.
Mm-hmm.
Agree, sir.
Yes, sir. Agree.
Mm-hmm. So what we're doing, we're just adding them up. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8, 20. And 20 plus 10 is your 30. I'm going to ask you some questions. What is my first term?
2, sir.
Good job. What is my last term?
10.
Good job. Wow. We're not going with things, man. What is the difference between the first term and the second term?
8.
8. Yeah.
2.
Okay, because somebody never listened to the question.
Oh,
What is the
between the
difference? What is the difference between the first term and the second term?
Oh, 2.
2. Yeah, I thought I said the last.
Yeah.
What is the difference now between the second term and the third term?
4.
4.
4.
2, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Listen to my question. My question was, what's the difference between the second term and the third term?
Oh,
Here my,
sorry, your first and third, sorry.
Wrong things.
here my
Why,
other
sir, I
question.
don't know. Something must be wrong with the ears tonight.
What is the difference between the third term and the fourth term?
2.
2, yeah.
And what's the difference between the fourth term and the fifth term?
2.
Same 2.
That means say there is a common difference of 2 then, don't?
Yes,
Yeah.
All right. So that means there's a go ahead.
Hold on. I don't understand how the 2 come about when I ask the difference between the first term and the last term, though.
No, we never said that. We never said that. We said the first term and the second term.
First term and the second term. Okay. And what else you ask?
The second term and the third term.
Oh.
And in the third term and the fourth term.
All right, good. Me get it now. Because
You
me
get it now?
wonder, 10 and 2 give you 2. Me not understand that, but me hear it now.
Me not know the maths. Oh, the maths would have worked out either. But yeah, good job. All right. So we have established that the first term is what again?
2.
2.
2.
All right. And it has a common difference. What's the common difference?
2.
2.
Why I call it common difference?
Means because, sir,
Because
because
have the same difference, and
all
that's what makes
Miss
Very good.
Embo,
All numbers,
Very good.
all of the sequence going up.
Yeah, very
I
good.
keep on
Allowed.
a say miss.
Yeah, me no know why. But very good. Very good. So it is common, meaning say every time you do a subtraction with one term and the next term and that term and a following term and so forth, you get the same number. So we call it a common difference. So the common difference is the same, don't it?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I am going to say to you that my first term is going to be noted by A. My first term is going to be denoted by A, and my common difference is going to be denoted by D. So whenever you're talking about your sequence and series, anywhere in the world you go and you talk about A, that is your first term. Anywhere in the world you go and you hear them talking about D, that's the common difference. So, yeah. So anywhere in the world you go and they talk about A is your first term. Anywhere in the world you go and talk about D, once you're talking about the sequence and series, your D is going to be your common difference. I am developing this topic, so don't think that I'm going to finish this one tonight. I want to develop it so that you catch the full gamut of it. You did the first question on sequence and series, right? I gave you 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and I asked you to find the sum of the first 5 terms, and you gave me 30. You were able to tell me that the first term is A, which is 2. You were able to tell me that the common difference, which is D, is also 2. You were able to tell me that the last term, 10, is equal to 10. All right. I want you to look carefully though at what is on screen. I want to develop something. We're going to develop a formula. I don't want to give you the formula. I want you and I to develop the formula together. We have all the elements so far. The only thing that I will tell you is how many terms we have here. How many terms of questions do we have?
5.
5 terms,
5.
right? The only thing that I will tell you is that I need to give you something about the number of terms. So I'm going to say, let us use number of terms. We're going to use it as n, right? So the number of terms, I'm going to use it as n. So what it is that I'm doing, I'm denoting my first term as A. I'm denoting my last, and my last term, I'm denoting the last term as L. The last term.
So the last term will be 10, right?
And the last term is 10, yes.
Right.
Okay. So now you understand how I get A to be the first term. The first term A is 2. I'm just telling that the first term is 2. And why them use A? Because A is the first letter of the alphabet. So A is the first term, and this is universal. The common difference, because difference with D, them call it D. The number of terms, number is N, them call it N. And the last term, because it's L, they call it L. So you know what A, D, N, and L stand for. Agreed?
You said the number in the number of terms are the 5.
Yeah. So the number
Okay.
of terms are the 2 and the 4 and the 6 and the 8 and the 10.
Okay, gotcha.
Watch me now. So if I say to you, what is the first term again?
2, sir.
2.
The first term is
2.
2. All right. So that's the first term. The first term is 2.
Here.
Well, I tell you. All right. First term is 2. Now, what is the second term?
4.
Yeah.
All right. How do you think I got the second term?
2 plus 2.
You had 2 to 2.
I add 2 to 2.
Yeah.
2 plus 2, yeah.
What do you think I added to the first term to get the second term?
2.
Wait, name.
The difference.
Very good.
The common
Very,
difference, yes.
very good. Very, very good. So, so this is my first term. And then now I'm adding A to D to give me 4. Agreed?
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
What's the third term?
6.
All right. Work with me, Work with it. So you know the first term is A. You're doing very well. You know your first term is A. I asked a question about the common difference, and you say, boy, sir, in order to get the second term, I'm gonna add it, I'm gonna add the D to it. So the 2 plus the 2 give me the 4. Look at it and tell me how you think I'm gonna get the 6.
Is it
So
2A
you
plus
add 2 to the
2A
common difference to the 4.
Sorry, add the common difference
Sorry,
to the
A plus the D again.
Sir, you
So tell me,
add the number of terms to A.
Jada, you're correct, but go ahead.
Ravana.
the number of terms to A.
Yeah, so it would have be N. Never mind.
So tell me, what am I always adding
2.
in order to?
Common difference, sir. 2.
Very good. Is the common difference that I'm always adding. So tell me what is going to be the third term then. What formula are we going to use for the third term?
Sir, A. No, wait, common difference. D plus
4.
I don't want to answer. I want it in a general form now. You see, like how we
Third.
know, says
D plus A squared?
plus N.
No?
No, it
Okay.
can be A squared.
They not hear me.
D plus A plus D.
say it again.
D times
plus
D
A
times
plus D.
D.
Is it D times D though?
No.
It will be plus.
2
It will be
times
plus.
2 is 4.
But remember, all right. But remember, I asked a question. I asked a question before and I asked you how it is that I got this stuff and keep saying to me that it's a common difference and I keep adding 2. So what is it that I keep adding the 2 to?
To the 4 to the second term.
Okay, and for the second term, which 2 am I adding to the second term?
The common difference.
So therefore, what is going to be the formula?
D plus D.
Plus A.
Good job.
Hey.
Jada got it long time.
Saying all along.
The matter how you put it
What
can
have
be
been
D plus
saying
D,
all
A
along.
plus D. Oh, 2 Ds.
Yeah, well, sorry, who was asking about saying all along?
But sir, you know, say 4 me there, so I think about another 6. Jesus Christ.
You know, that's
Me
why I
not
was
gonna keep on. I said about 2 plus 2.
And that's why I was saying to you, no, look at it. It's a common difference we're talking about.
Sir, my eye
Uh-huh.
totally shut out the 6. I didn't see the 6. Oh, God.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I'm
But
gonna see
Jada,
my brain a function tonight.
but 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 Jada catch it. Jada catch it. Boom! Out of the ballpark. First shot, Jada catch it. But very good. All right. So I want the rest of you to see what is happening now. I'm going to ask you one more question. And the other question now is going to be with the 8. What do you think I'm going to use as a formula to get the 8? Look at what I have already and see if you can come up with something else in order for me to get the 8.
Would it be A plus 2D plus D?
And what is that work? And what when you do all of that, we work with wait, fix it up nicer for me now. You're right, but fix it up nicer for me. But show Steffi, what? Steffi no come class for 1 week and Steffi a shot. Tell me now. So you're right, it's A plus 2D plus another D because you keep adding a common difference. So what is 2D plus D?
3D.
Mm-hmm.
Also A plus 3D.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So for 10, it would be A plus 4D?
But show Peter.
Okay, all right. Wonderful.
Catch a pattern, man.
Mm-hmm. So 10 is going to be A plus. And D is 2, 4 times 2 is 8. And the common difference is, and the first term is 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10. You catch that? Don't it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Very good. Now, let me just give you a word of encouragement. This is the first group in a long time that I'm teaching pre-calculus that I'm able to develop the lesson in this way. The first time in a long time I'm able to develop the question in this way. I'm going to ask you a question. I'm going to give it 2 minutes. I'm going to mute. I'm going to give it 2 minutes to think about it. Go
Sir, make
ahead.
sure you post the screen record and come here crop this.
But I'm gonna ask you a question. I'm gonna give it 2 minutes to think about it. I don't want to rush me. I don't want to rush yourself. I want you to just think about it in 2 minutes. Earlier, I did this, comma, dot, dot, dot. And you said to me, sir, those dot means it continue, it go along, go along, go along, go along, go along. And I agree with you. I agree with you. Now, I want to come up with a formula. I want to come up with a formula that I can use to calculate my stuff. The formulation is in this. Let me use a different color since I use green right there. The formulation is in that. A, then, so remember now, let me write it differently. Watch this. This is the first term, the second term, the third term, the fourth term, the fifth term, and I want you to be able to do something for the last term, to write a formula for the last term. I've given you 2 minutes. I don't want anybody to tell me yet. Good thinking. I love the way you're thinking, but think a little bit more. That's not fully it. 3 minutes, and then you come back to me. All right. I'm seeing various suggestions. I'm seeing various suggestions. How do I tell them, Lord? All right, let us look at the first term. So what it is that we're going to be doing now is comparing the purple with the green. We are comparing the purple with the green. The first term is?
Two.
No, man. Mr. Purple and green. We're not looking at the brown, we're looking at the purple and green. The first term is?
A.
A. Good. The second term is?
A
A
plus
plus
D.
D.
A plus D. The third term is?
A
A
plus
plus
2D.
2D.
The fourth term is?
A plus
A
3D.
plus 3D.
The fifth term is?
A plus
A
4D.
plus 4D.
The sixth term is?
A
A
plus
plus
5D.
5D.
The seventh term is?
A
A plus 6D.
The eighth term is?
plus 7D.
The 100th term is?
A plus 99D.
The 200th term is?
Like,
A
sir,
plus
we get your drift, sir. We get
499D.
it.
No, but if you get the drift, write the formula for me now because you're correct when you say 8 plus 99 a while ago. Now. So if you get the drift, write the something to me for right.
Sir, give me one more.
All right, let's go again. You see? Uno lose it and uno have it, you know. Chia. All right, let's go. All right, let's go
Sir,
again.
somebody say A plus 9D equal L.
Sir, A plus D equal L. What is
Sir,
that?
A plus 9D.
Sir, is N that you have up there, sir, or minus N?
N.
Sir, A plus ND?
So A times N. A plus N times D.
All right, so you recognize what is consistent is A plus something, don't? You notice in all of the something we have A plus something, don't?
Right. Sir, is A plus 2D? No.
Why is
2 times.
Christopher
Sir, Christopher present.
to follow, sir?
Sir, a mistake.
Hey, Christoph. I got charge $100 now, US. All right, let's go. Oh no, oh goodness. You see, oh no, have this something a while ago, you know, and then you just lose it. All right, let me start again. The first term is, we're looking at the purple and the green. The first term is?
A.
Good. The second term is?
A plus D.
Good. The third term is?
A plus
A
2.
plus 2D.
The 10th term is?
Sir,
A
is
plus
A
4D.
ND must go there? A plus ND?
You see, to be honest with you, if I could get, I could take something from what everybody say and come up with the answer, but I want somebody to tell me what it is.
So nobody not reach it yet?
No, but we're very close. Let's go again.
I know, I
What
come here, my brain sees up.
what is the 15th term?
So,
A
Michelle,
plus 14D.
Good. 15 and then I have 14D. That means they have to do something now to forget 14, don't?
Sir, you add 1.
If I clap you, you puke.
Sir, say that again. No,
If I
no.
clap you, you puke.
Sir. Tell me what you say again.
Okay, Sir Brooks, you're going somewhere. I like it. If I say to you, you have 15, so the 15th term is going to be what?
Oh, 14D. A
So,
plus
so,
14.
so if I have 15, I'm going to end
Oh,
up with 14.
1.
Now what?
Minus 1.
I got minus 1. Good. So my last term is going to be
A
uh-huh.
minus D.
Hey, look on the one of them. The one is in a minus in among of them.
No, A plus.
A plus, good.
Minus 1.
What minus 1?
E minus
N.
1. Oh.
And then
Because
what?
n are the number of terms equal.
All right, very good. Jada
Sir,
and Shake and the rest. Not can I
my
say this,
mic
sir?
was not opening. Sir, look how long
And Christoph too.
me tell you someone get it.
No, Jada, no, I saw that. I said, Jada, no, man, I saw that. That's what I just said a while ago. I said, Jada and Shake got it. I did say that, honey. I said it, man. So it's going to be A plus N minus 1 times D. Make we check it and see if it works. We're going to look at the fifth term. The fifth term, oh, that means, sir, them something here is the number of terms. Yes. So the fifth term is going to be, 5 minus 1, which is 4. 4 times 2, which is 8. And 8 plus 2 is going to be equals to 10. So the fifth term is 10. Sir, me see it now. Everybody see it?
Write it with your
Again,
Sir,
my
regular
write it
brain
again
see.
without it erasing
Yeah.
one.
pen, sir. Because if you choose the
Sir,
phone,
change your mark and write
it will
again.
jumble up. So
All
you
right.
can't really see where you right.
Okay, all right. So let me write it with the regular pen then. Let me see which color can I use. Boom, bam. Let me use this color. So what I'm saying to you is we are checking our answer here. We're using this to check our answer. We know that A is, the first term A is 2. Do you agree with that? So we're
Yes,
checking it,
sir.
we're checking the 10th term. We're checking what the 10th term is. Like, not the 10th term, the fifth term. The fifth term, the fifth term, the fifth
Mm-hmm.
term. We're checking what the fifth term is. All right? But we know that A is 2. And the fifth term is going to be 5 minus 1. Talk truth. Go always subtract 1 from it.
Yes, sir. Following subtract.
Times the common difference, which is 2.
Okay.
So this is going to be 2 plus what is 5 minus 1?
4.
Right. And 4 times 2 is?
8.
And
8.
8 plus 2 is?
10.
So the fifth term is 10. Let us look at it
So
now.
weird. Sir, no times, I say your times.
Yeah.
So you would times the 8 times the 2. How come you plus?
No, I times the 4 times the 2 to give me the 8.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Remember bracket first, you know. Boom.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, you could use 8
Give
times
me.
10.
8 times n.
Yeah.
You see, it's when you're making a formula or a rule, the rule has to be consistent, and it has to always be true. You can't do a rule and it works only with one something. Okay, so I can't have a rule and I mark Christoph's paper different than how I mark Shaki's paper. That's not fair. So the same answer sheet that I use for Shaki is the same answer sheet I have to use for Christoph, I have to use for Britley, I have to use for Stephanie, I have to use for everybody. Or else it's not going to be fair. So when you do that, somebody they say something with square, and square couldn't work because yes, it will work for the 2 and the 2 because 2 times 2 is 4. But when you square 2, you're going to get 4. But if you square something else, you're not going to get that same value. So it has to be consistent and you work with it all the time.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, man. So that's how we get this off. Let us check the third term. We know what the third term is supposed to be. The third term is supposed to be equals to what?
The third term is 6.
6.
The third term is supposed to be equals to 6. Very good. The third term is supposed to be equals to 6. Let us check it. A plus n minus 1 times d. N is the number of terms. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2, don't it?
So you write something?
Okay, you want me to write it? No problem.
Yes,
Shall we
sir.
check
I
it?
know, say I have to do all of them.
All right, then. So let me do the third term now. The third term. So the first term is A plus.
Sir, I don't know what kind of penny I write with you know, but it dull like me, even know if you say.
Sir. I
Dull,
read.
bad.
Dull, bad?
Yeah. I did not see you properly.
You can see it now?
Yeah, kinda.
All right. So so remember, the third term tells you that how many terms it has?
3.
Good job. The first term is
1.
if I clap, you see?
2.
Yes, sir.
2. Good.
If the third term is 3. Yes, sir. Oh.
The first term is 2, and then now it's the number of terms, so it's going to be
5.
3 minus 1.
3.
I know that the common difference is, what's the common difference?
2.
Common difference is 2.
Good job. You see, you're trying, and you see, you give her a slap, and so what Annie do, like when you have a baby, if you touch it again against beat too, and you don't want to beat, so you're going to make sure you say the right answer. All right, come, Annie. So, and then now you're going to have 3 minus 1 equals?
2, sir.
2. And 2 times 2 equals?
4.
And 4 plus 2 equals?
6.
6. So look to see now if over here, so the third term was 6.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right, so Christoph is what I'm saying. So this formula, A plus N minus 1 times D, is a formulation that you use that will always work when you're doing the last term of a arithmetic progression. But all of what we're doing here is called an arithmetic progression. And I'm just going
Sir,
to call
write
it,
that down to please.
yeah, man, me write it. We're just going to call it AP.
Sir, just write it out, yeah.
Sir, this
Sir,
is not
where you
the
writing?
school.
Coming out in a writing on the board.
And not writing on board,
Sir,
we
right.
don't
No, briefly. Arithmetic. Wait on you.
so we don't know what I'm to eyes them tonight because we don't
Sir,
eyes
write it
them.
out, cause boy, my brain feel like it take time slowly. I come to the topic.
The common difference every time. So you notice it is 2, 4, 6, 8.
Yes.
So every time you have to add 2 to whichever number.
Yeah, man, I write that down long time. I this me I thought was sir write down here, so.
Right. So this is known as an arithmetic progression. And for short, sometimes you see on the exam paper, they may not write out the word arithmetic progression or the words arithmetic progression. What they will write is determine the AP. You must know say AP is arithmetic progression. And there's another one that is called a geometric progression. So sometimes they will say boof baff geometric progression or boof baff GP. GP is not general penitentiary, no. It is geometric progression. All right, geometric progression. So I taught you. I'm not going to do anything more for tonight. What I wanted to do was to introduce the arithmetic progression, and trust me, on a giving yourself a good clap because you did very well in terms of developing the progression. You did very well. You did
Sir,
very
me
well.
think me I go look on this over the weekend.
Yeah, man.
Until Thursday class, cause boy.
Yeah, man.
I don't think I want to miss that class either Thursday. I was planning to miss it, but
we don't know.
Boy, me can't miss the math class.
No, I work, sir. I work. But
Oh,
it look like
okay.
me figure tell her so me can't stay late.
You see me so. But this is very good, as I said before, and I'm not being, we would say facetious. I'm not being that type of person tonight. I'm saying to you, it's been a while since I'm teaching pre-calculus that I'm trying to develop the arithmetic progression this way, and that you may not have gotten it the first time, but before the end of the session you were able to get it. Now, I will also say to you that some of you may feel a little uncomfortable. Geez, look how sir start of the class nice, and I could have answered Kramer's question and no input AP on the board, and me not understand nothing we're sir doing. Not a problem. It's not a problem. What I want you to do is take the screenshot of this, download the whiteboard, and just read through. Come Thursday, God's willing, those 2 hours will be focused directly, well, hour enough, 45 minutes, because I may give you a Kramer's question as a little warm up at 5 o'clock, right? But what I want you to do is, I want you to use the time. I want you to use the time on Thursday for us to just go through and just develop, for us to just develop the AP. And then as soon as we finish the AP, we're gonna move to the GP. And then that will be the end of the big boys. And then we can go back to some little small sprat now. The snap of them finish and the part them finish. At the little sprat them we're gonna go to and the banger mirror them. All right, guys, you did well. When I tell you that you're doing well or you did well, please don't feel disappointed because you did well. Me as a teacher, and I know when it is that you've done well.
Sir,
You
me
did well.
feel disappointed because me did slow right now.
No, well, guess what? I'm happy for what happened in the class tonight. You guys did well. It's been a while that I'm not able to present or to introduce the topic this way, and I was able to introduce it, and people are understanding. So you did well. Do me a favor, just read
Sir,
through. Go ahead, Poppy.
you can leave a question, please. Like
I
one
will.
short question.
I will, but I will, but not now. I'm going to tell you why. Because I want you to just spend the time and just try and understand the development of this first. I promise you. All right, do me a favor. Do me a favor.
Yes,
No,
sir.
no. Because you see, I don't reach anywhere yet into the AP, and I was going to say to you, go to the past paper, but I don't want you to look in the past paper and then you see the question and get disappointed because it can't.
Yes, sir, because I
Yeah,
see it in the past paper and I'm telling you, I
yeah,
attempted
man.
it and I was like,
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
all
know
right.
what this is.
Yeah, man, don't worry about it. Thursday we're gonna move
Can
on.
you get
Just
the past paper there, please?
yeah, man, share the past
Everything was
paper.
sent in the group, man. It's in the group.
It's
Everything
in
is
the
in the
group,
group.
right? And then now we're going to talk about that come Thursday. Big up on yourself. All the best.
Sure, before you go,
Sorry,
Go
good
ahead, man.
night.
there's a Monique Maxwell. She's not missing. She has internet issue and her battery is low.
Tell Monique say she must pay our flow bill.
Okay.
And I'm a friend, G's and P's. And she got here on the recording, G's and P's. Anyhow, all the best, dear.
Sir, I sent you an email here. Please to check it.
Will do for you. Bye bye, Brittany. Mr. Brittany gone?
Brittany not talk to you.
No, man, she's not here. All the best, guys. Take care.
All right, good night, sir.
Good night.